Do you know how to share files between LDPlayer and your PC?
No,
Do you want to know?
not really. No.
Good, because I'm telling you anyway. The shared folder feature in LDPlayer is designed to help you easily transfer files between your Windows computer and the Android system inside the emulator. When you click the shared folder icon on the right toolbar, you'll see two options: PC shared folder and Android shared folder. Now, technically, both of these point to the same shared location, but they show it from different sides. The PC shared folder opens that location directly in Windows File Explorer. It's the actual folder on your computer where shared files are stored. This is usually located inside your Documents folder. The Android shared folder, on the other hand, opens the exact same folder, but from inside the Android system within LDPlayer. It uses LDPlayer's file manager to show you those files, as if you're viewing them from an Android device. Now, to share files from your computer to LDPlayer, click on the shared folder icon on the right toolbar. Click on PC shared folder. This will open a folder on your computer where you can drag and drop the files you want to transfer. Once the files are in this folder, go back into LDPlayer and click on Android shared folder to access the same folder. The files you added will now be available inside the emulator, ready for use. On the other hand, to share files from LDPlayer to your computer, the process is just as easy. Find your files in the emulator and move them into the Pictures folder. Once you do that, the files will automatically be available on your computer. You can find them in the PC shared folder, just like any other file on your system.